And this guide will show you how to fix YouTube lagging or running slow on Android. If you're experiencing performance issues, follow these steps to resolve the problem. Start by exiting YouTube and opening the Settings app on your phone. Once in Settings, scroll down and find the Apps section. In this section, scroll down further to locate YouTube. If you have trouble finding it, you can use the search bar at the top to speed up the process. Next, tap on YouTube, then tap on Force Stop at the bottom right of the screen and confirm by pressing OK. After that, scroll down to the Storage section. Here, you'll see the options to clear cache and clear data. You can start by tapping Clear Cache, and if you're still having issues, tap Clear Data as well. Confirm by tapping Delete if you're sure. Once you've cleared the cache and data, return to YouTube and check if the issue is resolved. Hopefully, this will fix the lag and speed up the app.